In previous video you are learned exercise 3.14 third problem. Now fourth problem. If alpha comma beta are roots of 7x square plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. If beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7. Find the value of a. Okay. For quadratic equation is given. For this quadratic equation roots alpha and beta, using this one condition also given, that is beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7. Using this we have to find the value of a. This unknown value we have to find. Listen students, first you have to write the given quadratic equation. 7x square plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. For this quadratic equation, compare with the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So that is a is equal to 7, b is equal to a. The coefficient of x is a, b is equal to a, c is equal to 2. So normally what we found in the previous problem, yes, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Yes, for this quadratic equation roots are alpha and beta. So sum of the roots you have to find. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is b value is a. So that is minus a by 7. A value is 7. Alpha beta product of roots, what's the formula? C by a. C value is 2. 2 by 7. Okay. Also what is given in the question? Beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7. So that is beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7. For this one rewritten as minus of alpha minus beta. Yes, listen. Beta minus alpha. This is written as, you have to take minus common. So that is alpha minus beta. Minus of alpha minus beta. This is beta minus alpha is equal to minus 13 by 7 given, you have to take minus outside. So that means it is written as alpha minus beta. Minus of alpha minus beta is equal to minus 13 by 7. This one rewritten as this form. So minus minus cancel. So alpha minus beta is equal to 13 by 7. Alpha minus beta you have to apply the formula. So how you have to apply the formula? Alpha minus beta whole square formula, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So this implies alpha minus beta is equal to square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Otherwise you have to derive from this basic formula. Otherwise you have to remember this. Study this formula. Alpha minus beta is equal to square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equal to 13 by 7. Previous time we have square root, so we have to remove the square root. So both sides you have to take a square. Squaring on both sides. Yes, squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, so square root become removed. So that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equal to 13 square is 169, 7 square is 49. Okay, so alpha plus beta what we found? Alpha plus beta is minus a by 7 whole square minus 4 into alpha beta value is 2 by 7. Yes, alpha beta value 2 by 7, alpha plus beta value is minus a by 7. So that is equal to 169 by 49. So you have to take square, so that is a square by 49. The minus become plus a square by 49 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 by 7. That is equal to 169 by 49. Now you have to simplify this. You have to take a LCM as 49. Otherwise, first you have to arrange this equation. Yes, a square by 49. This minus 8 by 7 transposed to this side. Okay, so that is it's become plus 8 by 7. Now a square by 49 is equal to, you have to take 49 as a LCM. So that means it is 169. This 169 plus 49. So that means you have to make multiple by 7. Yes students. So that is 8 7s are 56 by 49. Now you have to add these two, that is 225. 200 a square 49 49 cancel. Yes, suppose you are transposing this 49 to this side, it's become multiplication, then these two get cancelled. So directly you have to make cancel this denominator 49 for left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so it's become a square is equal to 225. So a is equal to square root of 225. So that is a is equal to plus or minus 15. So the required value of a is minus 15 comma 15. Yes, a value is minus 15 comma 15. Fifth question, if one root of the equation 2y square minus ay plus 64 is equal to 0 is twice the other, then find the value of a. Find the values of a. One root of the equation of this quadratic equation is twice the other. Yes, then find the value of a. Listen students, the roots are not given in this question. So you have to consider let the roots are alpha. The clues are given. One alpha is twice as other. So that means one root is alpha, other root is 2 alpha. Yes, one root is alpha, another one is 2 alpha because it is a twice. Twice means 2 times. Given quadratic equation 2y square minus ay plus 64 is equal to 0. So this implies you have to write a value, b value is minus a, c value is 64. So sum of roots, so don't use a short form, sum of roots. Okay, sum of roots is equal to, how you find the sum of roots? Say sum of roots is what? Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus 2 alpha. So that is equal to minus b by a. B value is minus a. So minus in formula we have 1 minus into minus plus. So a by 2. Product of, so the first you have to simplify this. Alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha is equal to a by 2. It is equation number 1. Next to product. Product of roots. Product of roots is equal to alpha into 2 alpha. So that is equal to c by a. C value is 64. 64 by 2. Okay. So that is, you have to make cancel. 1, 2 is 2. It is 32 times. So now alpha into 2 alpha. 2 alpha square is equal to 32. So that is alpha square equal to 32 by 2. That is 16. Alpha is equal to root 16. That is equal to plus or minus 4. Yes students, yes, for we have two values, plus value and minus value, plus 4 and minus 4. When alpha is 4, 3 alpha is equal to a by 2. We found 3 alpha is equal to a by 2. So that is 3 into 4. 12 is equal to a by 2. So a is equal to 24. Yes, you have to use this first equation. 3 alpha is equal to a by 2. Alpha what we found? 4. So that is 3 into 4 is equal to a by 2. 3 4s are 12 is equal to a by 2. So a value you want to find. So that is this 2 transpose here. 2 transpose to this side, it's become 24. A is equal to 24. You have to substitute a is equal to minus 4 in equation number 1. Yes. That is 1 implies 3 alpha is equal to a by 2. So that is 3 into minus 4 is equal to a by 2. So that is 3 into minus 4, minus 12 is equal to a by 2. A is equal to, you got to make multiple here. So that is minus 24. A value is 24 and minus 24. Now sixth problem. If one root of the equation 3x square plus kx plus 81 is equal to 0 having real roots is the square of the other. Yes, one root is real root is the square of the other, then find k. It's like as a fifth problem. Yes. Listen students, we have to consider the one alpha is alpha and let we have to consider the roots. Let the roots be alpha and alpha square. One root is alpha, another one root is alpha square because it is given as square of other. One root is alpha and other root is alpha square. Given equation you have to write, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 81 is equal to 0. Using this you have to find a value 3, b value It is B value is, listen students, it is K, not 4, it is K. B value is K, C value is 81. So sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus alpha square. So that is minus B by A. Alpha plus alpha square equal to B value is K minus K by 3. A value is 3. It is equation number 1. Next to product. Product of roots is equal to alpha into alpha square is equal to C by A. Alpha into alpha square, alpha cube. These two are in addition. So you are not able to simplify these two. Okay, it is written as the same alpha plus alpha square. But here these two are in a product. So alpha into alpha square, alpha cube is equal to C value is 81, A value is 3. So 1 3 is 3, 27 times it is 81. So alpha is equal to cube root of 27. So that is equal to 3. So anybody have a doubt? It is 3 cube. Cube root of 3 cube, it's become 3. Okay, so that is alpha is equal to 3. From this first equation, alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus K by 3. Alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus K by 3. Alpha we found as 3. Yes, 3 plus 3 square value 9. Otherwise you have to write one more step, 3 plus 3 square is equal to minus K by 3. Then 3 plus 9 is equal to 3 square value 9 is equal to minus K by 3. So that is equal to, you have to add these two, what do you get? 12. 12 is equal to minus K by 3. So that is minus K by 3 is equal to 12. So minus K is equal to 36. This 3 transpose here, it's become multiplication. 12 3s are 36. Yes. So K is equal to minus 36.